Welcome to Introduction to Java Programming. In today's episode, we will look at another example of while loop, and we will utilize while loop in our first game. So it would be a very basic game, which is the guess number game. We will write a very easy code and with very basic functionality. So let's start the game. So in guess number game, computer will think about a number. We have to guess that number. So first we need to create the random variable, and then we will write our while loop. So before writing while loop, we'll create a variable which is guessed, and initially the guessed is false. We'll create random dot so now we have to save the number that computer has selected. So the selected number is equal to random dot next integer, and we wanted to think about a number between 1 to 10. So as we know that if we pass the bound 10, the number is usually 0 to 9. So if we add plus 1 to it, so it will become 1 to 10 like this. Okay, so the selected number is plus 1. This will generate a random number between 0 to 9, and we'll just add 1 to make it 1 to 10. And here we will say while uh, yeah guessed while not guessed. So until the user have not guessed the number, we want to run this program, and we will say uh, please enter the number. Okay, and we have to take the input. So we'll create another variable. We know for that we can use a scanner which can scan the input from system.in. So whatever is pressed, we can say that, and we can say int user number, which would be 0 initially. So scanner dot get, or I guess next integer, yes, next int. So we will take the input from the user and save it the user number. So this will take the input from the user, like the keyboard input from the user. As soon as user enter any number, that will be saved in this variable. And here we will check if user number is equal to selected number. If that's true, then we will say guessed is equal to true. The number is guessed, and this will break the loop. And here we can print the message, hooray, you won the game. Okay, so this is the simple while loop, and this is a very simple program. Computer will think about number only once, and it will give you infinite number of tries, uh, but you have to guess the number, and otherwise we will say uh, no, this is wrong. Okay, so here if the number is correct, we will set the guess true, and we'll go straight here, then again up and check the condition. And if the condition is not anymore true, then we will go to the last thing. Let's run this program. Please enter a number, let's say 3. No, this is wrong number. Please enter the number, maybe 9. This is wrong. Okay, 7. Again, this is wrong. 3, 2. I don't know, I will try all of them. 1. Okay, the number was 10, so I have to type all of them. Okay, now I'm gonna make a small change here, that so that our game look more beautiful. Yeah, okay, and let's run it again. Now again the computer will think about a number, so we'll type 10. Let's try. Oh yes, we won the game. Let's run again. Okay, this is wrong. 8, 9. So I won the game. So that is simple game code. I would ask you just look at this video and then try to write the code yourself. Thank you. Take care. Bye.